Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to unwrap. The Acer Aspire A314-23P-R3QA Slim Laptop. If you're in the market for power, style, and performance, you're in for a treat. I'm your host, your name, and let's dive right into it. Just look at this beauty! The Acer Aspire 3 doesn't just promise power. It delivers it in style. With a slim profile and a stunning 14.0-inch Full HD IPS display, your visual experience is about to reach a whole new level. Under the hood, this laptop packs a punch. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U quad-core processor and complemented by AMD Radeon Graphics, the Aspire 3 ensures seamless multitasking and a gaming experience that's nothing short of extraordinary. And let's talk about speed with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and a blazing fast 512GB NVMe SSD. Say goodbye to lag and hello to efficiency. Whether you're working on complex projects or indulging in some gaming fun, this laptop has got your back. Now, let's talk visuals. The 14.0-inch Full HD IPS display doesn't just showcase your content. It elevates it. Crisp details and vibrant colors, it's a visual feast for your eyes. And with AMD Radeon Graphics, your gaming and multimedia experience is going to be nothing short of spectacular. Staying connected is crucial, right? The Acer Aspire 3 understands that. With Wi-Fi 6, you're not just connected. You're at the forefront of high-speed internet. And let's not forget, it comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home, offering a seamless, user-friendly interface that enhances your overall computing experience. I've been using the Aspire 3 for a few weeks now, and it's a game changer. The speed and graphics make my work so much more enjoyable. As a gamer, I needed a laptop that could keep up with my demands. The Aspire 3 not only keeps up, it exceeds expectations. And there you have it, folks, the Acer Aspire 3 A314-23P-R3QA. Power, style, and performance wrapped up in a sleek design. If you're ready to elevate your computing experience, this might just be the one for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, I'm Realtecshop, signing off.